If you want to control exactly when people can book time with you in Calendly, creating a custom availability schedule is one of the most useful things you can do. In this video, I'll show you how to create an availability schedule in Calendly step by step, so you can set your working hours, choose which days you are available, and make sure your booking page matches your real schedule. This is perfect if you want more control over meetings. Avoid random time slots and keep your calendar organized. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get started. First, open Calendly and sign into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Availability. This is where Calendly lets you manage the times people can book with you. If you have never set up a custom schedule before, this section is where everything begins. Now, click New Schedule. Calendly will open a setup screen where you can create a fresh availability schedule from scratch. This is especially helpful if you want different schedules for different parts of your week, or if you want separate availability for different types of meetings. Next, enter a name for your schedule. A simple name like weekday availability works well, but you can name it anything that helps you stay organized. For example, you could create schedules called morning hours, client calls, or team meetings. Using clear names makes it much easier to manage your schedules later, especially if you have more than one. After that, select the days you want to be available. For most people, that might be Monday through Friday, but you can also choose specific days based on your personal workflow. If you only want to take meetings on certain days, just turn off the days you do not want included. This gives you flexibility and helps you avoid overbooking. Once your days are selected, set your available hours for each day. For example, you might choose 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can adjust this for each day depending on your routine. Maybe Monday starts later or Friday ends earlier. Calendly makes it easy to customize your availability so your booking page reflects your real working hours instead of a one-size-fits-all schedule. If you need more than one time block in a day, click Add Hours. This is useful if you have split availability, such as working in the morning and again in the afternoon. For example, you could set one slot from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and another from 2 to 5 p.m. This is great for people who take breaks in the middle of the day or only want meetings during certain windows. If there is a day you do not want available at all, you can remove it by clicking the trash icon or turning off availability for that day. This helps you keep your calendar accurate and prevents people from booking time when you are unavailable. It is a good idea to double check this before saving, especially if you are creating multiple schedules. Before you finish, review everything carefully. Make sure the schedule name is correct, the right days are selected, and the hours match what you actually want to offer. Taking a few seconds to review now can save you from having to fix booking issues later. Once everything looks good, click Save, and that is how you create an availability schedule in Calendly. With this setup, you can control when people book meetings with you, stay more organized, and create a better scheduling experience for clients, teammates, or customers. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.